Hey, what is up guys, it is Joe Tree, and today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer photos from Adobe Lightroom Classic to Lightroom Mobile. First, you're going to need to have opened up Adobe Lightroom Classic and Adobe Lightroom CC. Now we're going to be on Adobe Lightroom Classic, and we're going to select any photo that you want to add the preset to. Next, we're going to add the preset to the selected photo. Here I'm going to be adding the Explorify preset. Next, we're going to go to File, Export with Preset, Export to DNG. Now we're going to go to a folder that we want to export the preset to. So I'm just going to be going to my Joe Tree presets folder. So now that we've selected the folder, you're going to just click Open. And now that you have exported the preset to the folder you have selected, I would suggest renaming it so to make it easier to find. I'm just going to be naming it Joe Tree Explorify. Next, we're going to open up Adobe Lightroom CC. Here in Adobe Lightroom CC, we're going to head over to the Import, and you're just going to go over to the folder that you have the preset in. So here, I'm just going to click over to Joe Tree Presets, and here should be the preset. Then you're going to click Review for Import. After you have done that, you're going to click all the photos that you have selected or the single photo, and click Add Photo. Now that you've added the photo, we're going to create an album or a folder for your presets. So I'm just going to create an album. I'm just going to name it Joe Tree 2019 Presets. Alright, once you have created it, let's see, you can just add the photo to that. Now we're going to go over to our mobile device and open up Lightroom Mobile. Now that we have opened up Lightroom Mobile, we're going to see that we have the folder or album that we have created. Here I have the Joe Tree 2019 presets. Now you're going to click on the folder or album that you have created and click on the photo that the preset's on. And here at the bottom it shows you all of the settings that are with the photo, and it should be the ones that you have transferred from Adobe Lightroom Classic. Next, you're going to head over to the top of the screen and click on the settings, and here you should see copy settings. So what we're going to do is copy the settings of the photo, and all of the effects should be selected. So click OK, and now we're going to open up a photo that we want to add the preset to. So here I'm just going to select this photo right here. Next, you're going to go back to the top and select the settings and click Paste Settings. And there you go. You have just transferred your presets from Adobe Lightroom Classic to Adobe Lightroom Mobile. If you're new to this channel, hit subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and leave a comment down below for what you want next. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.